Hi guys, welcome back to our beauty channel. I'm Patricia if you don't know me, but just call me Patty or Queen Bee. Yeah, Queen Bee, but whatever. Thank you for coming back to this channel. Today I tried something new. I played with color. I did something out of my comfort zone and I really like the outcome of it. Wow. I really encourage everybody to maybe play a little bit more, do stuff that you're not normally used to doing, because honestly it's so worth it. And yeah, this is the look basically. I'm just going to a concert. I don't know, maybe some of you might think that it's too much, but I kind of like it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn your post notification on. Let's get on to this video. Hey guys, so I'm starting off with my eyebrows. Right now I'm just brushing my brows, and I'm using the NYX Espresso brow pencil. As you see, I'm really up in there in my brows because when I do my brows I need the maximum concentration that I can get. And for my eyebrows I'm going to conceal them with the LA Girl Warm Honey concealer. I always use that one to conceal my eyebrows because it's so easy to use. So I'm starting off the look with the color Morocco from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. It's a kind of pinky and coral color. The second color that I grabbed from the same palette is the Jezebel shade, and this is more like a mauve shade, and I'm just blending these two colors together. And then I switch palettes to the I use the Magic Mini by the Juvia's Place. I really love these palettes, guys. They're good quality and they're really inexpensive. In the outer corner of my eyes, to create a kind of a eyeliner effect, I use the color Yejide. Sorry for the pronunciation, guys. I know it's really bad. So just to conceal my, I'm forgetting that part of the eye right now. I use the Fenty Beauty concealer stick in Suede, and as you see on the outer part, I use the color Yejide from the Nubian 2 palette, and in my inner eye I use a Trophy Wife by Rihanna by Fenty Beauty. So for foundation I mix the Colourpop 185 and the Fenty Beauty 350 foundations together, and I applied that everywhere. And I didn't really show my face routine back because it's the same old that I do. Now I'm just using my concealer. Is the Colourpop concealer in the color 34. I'm just blending that in. I'm also going to use the banana powder by Colourpop to set those areas. And to set my whole face, I use their powder dark. And to contour, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Havana, the Havana shade. And yeah, it's basically the same routine that I do all the time. So for blush, I use this color that I'm showing you guys. Unfortunately, that Beige cosmetic palette, there's no color, so I don't know what are the colors, but I'm just using that to blush my face, I guess. For a highlight, I use Trophy Wife because I'm a trophy wife.
So yeah, I use that everywhere to highlight my face. I use that also underneath my eyebrow, as you can see me doing now. And I also use that in my inner dot, inner corner. And to spray my face, I use my NYX the spray bottle, the same bottle that I use all the time. That is a ride or die spray. Right now I'm just using the Colourpop BFF2 eyeliner to line my lips, and I use this NYX. I don't know the name on the top of my head, but I will list it down below in this video. This is basically a liquid lipstick that my friend gave me, so that's why I'm not like familiar with it. Damn guys, I look good. Oof.
Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy it, because seriously I have to be out of the house like about now. So but don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and a big thank you for all the people watching this well, our videos basically, and also a big thank you to everybody that's commenting. Like, it's really nice and it's really like warming up our hearts. So thank you. Bye. Hi guys, so today I'm here, well, I'm making this video to hi guys, so today I did something a bit new. I decided to play with colors. No, recommence.
What else? Your body will kill me. Now, open every palm bed. Ram town. Now. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, yeah.